Talk about celebrating your small wins and achievements. This is one for me.
Give it to me like
there's not much to do when all I can.
Guys, guess what? Guess what? Just guess, just guess, just guess, just guess. Tada! Your girl got an 18 inches ring light. 18 inches ring light. Say what? So I actually have been using 10 inches ring light since, not since I started YouTube though, but I've been for a while now. I've been using 10 inches. But what happened now is that 10 inches, but I just thought that that's not doing the work for me. It's not doing what I want. It's not giving me the results I want. So I went ahead to get 18 inches ring light. Talk about celebrating your small wins and achievements. This is one for me. I am so excited getting this. So I'll be unboxing it right here with you guys. Right here with you guys. 18 inches. Say what? Oh my goodness. 18 inches of goodness. So whoa, I've got bubble wraps to play with. Am I the only one that plays with bubble wraps? Okay guys, look at this. Look at this. It could even fit my head like perfectly. Wow, I love this so much. Oh god, I'm trying to take thumbnail. Okay, so now the battle of setting this up, I'm gonna try to set it up right here. I don't even know where to start from. Okay, yeah, where's the tripod? Okay, it came with a tripod stand. And why is it this sealed? Oh no, it's sealed. I'm start struggling with this. I eat my nails and it doesn't pain me for the longest time right now. Oh, finally. Okay, so this is the tripod. Get out. This is, I hope it's long because I don't understand this. So let's set this aside. And I'm sorry, my room is such a mess. I can't even show you guys everything. Now this one. Hey, don't fall off, please. Okay, this is the phone stand, and this is the wire for the ring light. By the way guys, it's rechargeable, so I have space for battery here, but your girl cannot afford to get the battery right now. So step by step, like a step at a time, let's get the ring light. Okay, I figured this out, and let's test the new ring light. Let's test it. So this is before and this is after. This is my new ring light. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I think there's a control button here. This is to reduce the light, and this is 100%. This is 0, and this is 100. And to change the filter of the light, there's another button here. This is white, and this is warm, I guess. This is the middle. Yeah, middle. Here white, middle, then warm. Wow, I love this ring light because, whoa, see, I really can't even say how excited I am to get this. So this is to more quality YouTube videos. So ring light checked, quality camera still not checked, unfortunately. So yeah, but I'm still grateful for this. I'm so excited for this. So let me set it up. I don't know, should I film my setting up? Let me set it up, okay, on the tripod. So Come on. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I don't even know how to behave. Really. Right now, I don't know how to behave. The ring light is like almost my height.
Holy moly, moly, moly.